So Geometry Dash. Today I wanted to beat more demons. And this time 4. 4 demon. Can you believe it? 4 demon. Not 3 this time. 4. Okay, I'm gonna stop. So I already selected the demons I wanted to do. Oops. So Chaos Impact, Problematic, Aspy, and the Lightning Rod. Yeah. So we are going to start with the Lightning Rod. So we're going to do it the easiest to hardest. Donc Lightning Rod, I Spy, Chaos, and then Problematic. This will be my first 9 circle demon and my 10th total demon. So let's begin with Lightning Rod by Timeless Reel. Wait, let's do practice mode. This one is. Yeah, hard. Shit. But not the blue one. Click no ops. Okay. I think we are going to do easy. Crap. I knew I was going to die there. We can't do it every time with one attempt. But the next one will be it. It will be it. Please don't tell me there's spikes down there. Oh, let's go. Okay. 6 minutes into the live and we are already beaten a demon. Alright. Into the collection. Up next, I Spy.